Hey, I'm Deanne with WTI, and let me tell you why I absolutely love our new kitchen fan. First of all, right out of the box, it was easy to lay out all the parts so that we can easily grab them when we were installing the fan. The fan is absolutely beautiful. It's a gorgeous matte black 3-blade fan, and it has one beautiful solid LED light that puts out so much light. It makes our kitchen so much brighter. The fan comes with this awesome remote control, and it lets you put the fan on low, medium, or high. You can have the light on without the fan, which is nice. And also, which is very different, I've never seen this before, is I can set a timer for how long I want the fan to stay on. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours, or 8 hours. And then the fan will automatically turn itself off. What a neat feature. I can't stop looking at this beautiful fan every time I walk in the kitchen. And it's an absolutely wonderful addition. And that's my point of view.